What's up, fam? Today I have some chores to do outside with the plants. Here are some lettuce starts. Started these from seeds. Here are the romaine. I got 6, the ones that have like single, and these are like microgreens. Not microgreens. These are like a salad mix. So I spritz them every day. All right, and you hear the workers out here. And so let's go on over here. I'm going to harvest some of these larger collards, because they've been rained on and they've grown. They were good. I tasted one. They're still they're pretty sweet. So let's get under here, and I'm going to harvest some of these. Put you guys up here. And excuse the noise. Excuse the noise, guys. People are working. I'm just pulling these up and shaking off the excess dirt from the roots. I'm gonna go around and get, there's two more over here. I'm gonna go and get two more. That's okay. I'm gonna wait till hubby gets home and he'll have to pull up that netting. I'm just gonna cut them right here. They smell good. That cabbage smell, that collard green smell is coming out. I'm gonna have to spray these down and make sure there's no pests, but I'm gonna spray them anyway. It's about 50 degrees. They got some dirt on them. I'm gonna spray it off and spray off if there's any like pest on there. I'll spray that off too. good thing about winter gardening. Your pests are, minimal. Spray down the underside. And this is what I do before I even bring them into my home. I spray them down. Then they're going to get another soaking in the sink when I take them in. I'm going to let them air dry. I'm just going to lay them on the table for about an hour. Since it's nice and breezy, taste one. Nice. You get some flavor. There's really some flavor. A lot of the crops we're getting in the stores, they have to travel so long, and they're really kind of grown to handle a long transit. But these, you can really get some flavor. Real good flavor, yes. You can eat it like that. I could just tear that up in a salad. Carrots. Stir fry it. The next couple of days, I'm going to use these in a recipe. I'll do a video. Okay, guys, I've inspected each bunch, every leaf, no pest or anything. So I'm gonna let them air dry out here and picked off any undesirable leaves. So those are pretty young leaves, and they'll grow a couple more weeks. If not, if the weather gets too cold, I'm okay. And I have 4 more over here. I have to wait till hubby gets home because he put a boulder on there. Look, I'll show you guys. So he has it tamped down really well, so I can't get in here. So I'm going to get these 4. So we'll have 3. I'm gonna let this one grow. This one I started from seed. It's growing up. It struggled for a while, so I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 13 bunches. Okay. And greenhouse is still hanging in there. So people have been asking me, where do I get my greenhouse? I'll put a link in the description where I get my bags at, my grow bags, and everything else I'm using. I'll put a link in the description, okay? Okay, family, thank you so much for tuning in today, and glad you tuned in. So, growing greens and cabbages. Collard greens and cabbages are in the brassica family. They are pretty much the same. You know, they're just different. I mean, they're pretty much the same. So yeah. I was going to get deep. Sometimes when I like stop myself and say, I don't want to go down this rabbit hole. So we're just going to keep it simple. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, thrive in 2025. All right, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. I don't know where this came from.